Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do something different. I jumped on the BoxyCharm wagon, not this month but last month. So today I will be doing a unboxing. I am not a makeup person, so my whole point of subscribing to this BoxyCharm is to learn how to do makeup and not pay full price for all of these great makeup brands. So why not pay $21.99? Why not pay $21 to try out different makeup brands? Like, especially since I don't wear makeup daily, like, or barely at all. Like, but I do want to learn how to beat my face, you know what I'm saying? You know, beat my face. I can do my hair, now I need to learn how to beat my face. Let's get started. So the Made box, this is the Made box. Yeah, so I'm gonna go one by one. Like I said, I don't know nothing much about makeup but mascara and eyeliner. I know the terms, but you know how to do it, you know, that's not my thing. But I might start trying to like do my makeup on camera and see what you guys think. Ooh, please don't talk about it, please. But so in the Made box, I got the Sculpture palette. I'm guessing this is the Sculpture palette by Pure. So I'm guessing the Sculpture palette, it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted in perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Ooh, sounds so sophisticated. But this is the palette. Yes, so I'm guessing these are the highlighters and these are the contour. You know, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And it's a $30 value. All right. Second thing on the list is Blurring Primer by Cover FX. So this is that. It's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. And the value on the Cover FX blurring primer is a $38 value. You see both of these that I already said, the palette and the primer are over $21, so I already got my money's worth. All right, next is the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner. I love the way the bottling looks. It just looks super cool, yeah. So I know how to use eyeliner. I mean, nothing to say about eyeliner, but this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And it's water resistant, so I think that's good for, you know, working out. I don't think you work out with eyeliner, but you know, working out, going swimming, things like that. All right, and that value is $24. All right, next thing, Aesthetica 3-piece eyes trio. So I'm guessing that's these brushes. The value is $45 for these 3 brushes. Wow. Yeah, they better be the best brushes in the world. So there's 3 pieces. It comes with an angle eyeliner brush, so I'm gonna use that brush and try the eyeliner that came with it into the box, because see, I don't know. A brow spoolie and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So this is a value of $45, more than $10 a brush basically. The second one, same from the same company. It's a P12 face brush, value $27, with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So yeah, I'll figure out how to use this one day. And then last but not least, we have Quick Lip Gloss by Beauty Creations. This is a value of $10. So Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So yeah, I can do this. I don't got any lips, but I can do this. So this is how it looks, the color. I'm not gonna put on my lips right now, but yeah. How did I find out about BoxyCharm? My girl Cardi B. Okay, yeah. Only reason. And then when I looked at the price and how much you get for it, I'm just like, okay. All right. So this is my unboxing for May. If you guys would like, BoxyCharm is doing its thing. It has all types of beauty stuff. And then for those that don't know how to do it, I mean this is the cheapest way. Because it's like you get like 5 different full-size items for $21, and the value is like 100 and something. Because I'm saying, like, you can't beat that. So if you guys want to see more of unboxing with BoxyCharm, let me know, and like, subscribe, and comment below. And I will see you guys next time for the June one. Okay. All right.